Hello and welcome to this fast video brought to you by Central Northern Regional Libraries. My name is Julian and today we're going to make date Easter eggs. So you are going to need some dates, oats, cocoa powder, peanut butter, shredded or desiccated coconut or sprinkles to decorate, a food processor, a measuring cup and a spoon. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is soak your dates for 10 minutes in some warm water. I'll put that aside. Now, when you're making these, you have a number of options. You obviously need dates, but if you don't have rolled oats, you can substitute that with some of your coconut. If you don't have the cocoa powder, you can use some cinnamon. Not as much cinnamon as you would cocoa powder. If you don't have peanut butter, you can just use any nuts that you have. That'll work fine. And also you can add dried fruit to add some extra flavors as well. So it's pretty versatile. So the next thing we're going to do is add 3/4 of a cup of oats to our food processor. Okay, so we've mixed that up and it looks fairly fine, so fairly well chopped up. Add our 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Our 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm using 2 spoons for this. And our dates, which we're going to strain the water. And then we're going to mix them with the food processor. Now, if your mix turns out a little bit dry like mine, you can add a few tablespoons of water and put it back in the food processor. Okay, now I've mixed that again and I've just found a bit of a trick. It's all balled up together and stuck together when I was mixing it. So now I think it's going to work a lot better when we put our sprinkles on. We'll give it a go. Oh yeah, this is much stickier. So there we go. Those are our date Easter eggs. Much healthier than the chocolate ones, and they taste pretty good too. See you later.
Join us next time to make some retro string art. You will need timber board, nails or tacks, string or wool, a hammer, tape and a template.